Assalamu alaikum, Arabic learners. We have so far done 24 short lessons to introduce the Quranic Arabic language course. Now we will start part 2 of the Madinah Arabic shortened course, where the lessons will now cover more material, inshallah. Please find any videos you missed by watching the playlists Quranic Arabic Simplified or Madinah Arabic Shortened. Please help by sharing the videos to spread the knowledge. Let us now begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I am Afifa and today is lesson number 25 on attached pronouns. So now let's do a quick review of the detached pronoun that we have studied in previous lessons. We said the Arabic term for that is damirun munfasil. Okay? And there are 12 pronouns, which I hope you know them very well now. They are huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, and ana and nahnu. And there are really 12 because 2 of them are duplicate because the pronoun huma and antuma are used for duals, and it's the same pronoun that is used for masculine and feminine. So there are really 12 unique pronouns. So we said that this form of the pronoun is not attached with any word. They are detached pronouns. And I said that they're always definite. We said the pronouns are always definite, and I mentioned to you that they are always in the nominative case. They are marfu'un, even though they don't carry the typical dhamma ending. And that is because I mentioned to you they are in a fixed state. So they are fixed in their case, which means their ending does not change. Okay? So the term for fixed noun in Arabic is called mabni. So when these pronouns that we have studied are attached to nouns, in that case they change their forms. Okay? So the pronoun anta becomes ka. The pronoun anti becomes ki. Let's take a look at some examples. So in this sentence here, min aina anti ya Amina, it means where are you from, Amina? So min means from, aina means where, anti means you for the feminine, ya Amina. So here is our detached pronoun that we have been studying right here on this list. It is anti to mean you for the feminine. Now see how that changes when it is your house, as in this example. So aina baituki ya Maryam, where is your house, Maryam? So aina means where, baituki means your house. So notice here, because the pronoun is now attached to the noun, it changes from anti to ki for the feminine. Okay, so notice in the translation, it is your house. Okay, so it is a possessive, your house. So anytime the pronouns, these detached pronouns that we have studied are attached to a noun, then their form will change as we have seen here. Okay, so aina baituki. And if it's masculine, for example, right here on the top, it is aina baituka ya Bilal. So it becomes ka if you're talking to a masculine. So now let's look at some plural pronouns which are attached to nouns. So the plural of ka is kum. So in this list that we have seen before, it is antum, which means you all, masculine, in its detached form becomes kum in its attached form. So when it's attached to a noun, it is kum. So let's take a look to the sentence. Aina baytukum ya ikhwanu. It means, brothers, where is your house? Okay, so here as we see, the kum is attached to the noun bait, right? So it is referring to your house. Your house, it's a possessive, and it's referring, this yours is referring to the masculine plural you, right? So it is antum. Okay, now similarly, the plural of ki is kunna, right? So in this little list here, it is antunna, right? So it is you all for the feminine plural. So right here, let's take a look at this sentence. Aina baytukunna ya sayyidat. It means, where is your house, ladies? So baytukunna means your house. It is attached pronoun, plural pronoun, and it is attached to the noun. So what happens is the antunna becomes kunna. Okay, your house. Now we're going to look at the singular pronouns huwa and hiya in their attached forms. Okay, so huwa, when it is attached to a noun, becomes hu. So kitabuhu means his book, right? It is the possessive, his. And hiya, right here, becomes ha. Kitabuha, her book, right? So again, these are the possessive forms. So when they're attached, it is possessive, and we see that the pronouns are changing, right? So huwa becomes hu, and hiya becomes ha. Now the plural of who is whom. We note in this list here that we studied whom before to mean they as an independent, detached pronoun. So we observe that in its attached form, this one has not changed. It is still whom to mean their. So in Arabic, they and their have the same form, whom, right? So let's take a look. Aina baytuhum. Where is their house? Baytuhum, right? So this whom is the same in the detached and in the attached forms. The next sentence here is Abuhum tajirun shahirun. It means their father is a famous merchant. So here abuhum is the possessive. It is their father. Tajirun is a merchant, and shahirun means famous. So we have observed here that their and they are the same forms in Arabic. It is whom. So the plural of hiya is hunna. Again, we observe that this has not changed. In this list, we see hunna to mean they for feminine, and in its attached form, it is the same. It is hunna. So they and their in Arabic is the same. Let's take a look. So in this sentence, wa hunna akhawati, and they are my sisters. So here this is detached pronoun hunna, and it is they. Now in this sentence, it is attached. So wa hadha baytuhunna. So this is their house. So wa means and, haza means this, baytuhunna, right? This is their house. So this is an attached pronoun for the feminine gender, but it is the same form as in the singular. So in Arabic, we learned that they and their are the same form, and it is hunna. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, InshaAllah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.